What's good? It's your boy Niche Falcone, aka Niche Nancy, aka Niche Noodles. Hit you in your oodles. And we back with another one today. We're here to talk about how Deepseek might have just ruined the whole stock market and we all gonna go poor and go broke. Nah, but we're gonna talk about how Deepseek ruined the whole tech part of the stock market, the whole tech sector of the stock market, because everybody's chasing AI and everybody wants to be the first to dominate the AI space. Deepseek came out of nowhere with a curveball and it shook up everything. So let's talk about this. DeepSeek's $1 trillion stock market crash. Nvidia, PSMC, and Broadcom recover some losses after AI shock. I lost so much money with Broadcom. I do not know why. I do not know what made me buy that bum ass. Like, I hate y'all, bro. Now is the time to buy it, too. But I ain't trying to lose my bread, bro. So, I lost so much money with Broadcom. I bought it at an all-time high. That was me. The option. And all time high, I feel like an idiot. That's whatever. Yesterday, shockwaves rippled across the American tech industry after news spread over the weekend about a powerful new large language model, LLM. So, it uses a new computer language model called LLM from China. I mean, news of DeepSeek's capabilities, not to mention the fact that it is open source and free for anyone to use and modify, sent U.S. markets reeling, including the tech-heavy NASDAQ, which saw $1 trillion evaporate from its market cap as AI adjacent stocks such as Nvidia and Broadcom were hit hard. U.S. listed shares of Taiwan Semi, no, TSM, TSMC, which trade on the New York Stock Exchange, also took a dive. Um, I think this is hard, terrible news for all this AI stuff because, all right, one thing I already kind of knew it was a bubble, but I didn't want to say anything because you don't want to. Why would you want to mess up your own money? You know what I'm saying? But the reason I say it's a bubble is because ChatGPT and OpenAI is open source too. So essentially, anybody can just approve upon that current code. Like anybody that really wants to program and really has the time to do it and just wants to make something new and very innovative, they could do it just based off ChatGPT. They could take ChatGPT's code, just approve upon it, and you can make anything from that basically. So it's at the point where it's like, yeah, all of these NVIDIA chips, you don't need all these powerful ass NVIDIA chips to really do AI computer processing as they're trying to sell us. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I'm scared right now for the stock market. This might have truly ruined the stock market. It's a year or put a dent in it. So right now I'm seeing what else is going to take a hit over the next few weeks, and I'm gonna reposition some things and get back in the market. Um, I'm gonna also talk about how it affects crypto, which I don't think it does, which is why I'm always so big on crypto as well. So I don't think it will affect crypto as much. DeepSeek R1 is AI Sputnik moment. Investor and engineer Mark Andreessen posted on X yesterday that DeepSeek's R1 is AI Sputnik moment. DeepSeek R1 is the Chinese firm's latest reasoning mode. AI's Sputnik moment refers to the time when the Soviets leapfrogged the US in the space race with the launch of the world's first satellite, a milestone that caught America off guard. Andreessen and many other tech experts seem to believe that DeepSeek is a similar milestone, and for several reasons. First, not only did DeepSeek AI model outperform reigning U.S. champions, reigning U.S. champions like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Meta's Llama, but it has made, but it was made at a fraction of the cost that U.S. tech giants spent developing their homegrown LLMs. This is what I'm saying. America is a greedy. You're very greedy. So every service we ask is not worth the service. It's always marked up. I feel like in America, every service in America is marked up. Every service you like, whether it comes from getting a contractor to do your home, or getting a tech support person, or getting a security company to secure your building or whatever. Everything is a marked up service. None of the services are actually you're paying for what to actually work. If people want to get paid, they need to make money. Plus, the business has to make money too. So everything is marked up in America. We based off capitalism. So we're not just using the amount of money we need to get something done. We're using the amount of money we need to pay people and get something done. You know what I'm saying? Deepseek reportedly cost less than $6 million to train. While U.S. tech giants have spent hundreds of millions or billions to develop this with these NVIDIA chips. That's what I'm saying. So they're buying a whole bunch of NVIDIA chips to develop these AIs when we're clearly seeing that you don't need them. You don't need these NVIDIA chips. Well, as many as we thought. You feel me? Because if they only spent 6 million, they clearly didn't buy as many chips as the other company. So we can watch this video. Let's see.
Okay, Liz, we had an eventful, busy week of Trump 2.0. Yesterday, Thursday, the S&P 500 hit its first record high of 2025. But as an investor, in terms of impacts on markets, what's your takeaway from this first week of the Trump presidency?
I think what we saw in this first week brought down some of the concerns into year end. You know, there was a mix of the market reacting very strongly to our change in leadership. And then, of course, there's all the campaign road speeches, and people start thinking that'll be reality in the markets. And that gave us that mixed market. And in the very first few days, I think investors went back to really remembering what it was like under the first Trump presidency from a business and market standpoint. He came out with things that were generally widely accepted and applauded in the business environment. He did not act quickly with extreme moves on some of the other things he's spoken about, and reminded investors that there is a
All right, let the ad go. I was really attentively listening to what she was saying. So
difference between what gets executed and what gets talked about and synthesized through Congress.
Okay, so if investor sentiment is generally pretty high right now, consumer sentiment, however, for January weakened for the first time in 6 months, according to the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index, which was out today. How does that actually reflect consumer behavior going forward?
Well, remember, we do have two different sentiment measurements. There's the Michigan that we just got, and then we will soon get consumer confidence as opposed to the sentiment. And they've been tracking a little bit differently, which is really strange historically. The Michigan number today is off a little, but it did have a really strong blip up in the fall that was a nice surprise.
all right. So they're saying a whole bunch of general bullshit, but it's like, all right, whatever. Second, Deepseek was reportedly trained on mid-range AI hardware. This is what I'm saying. Even Nvidia's price is so inflated, bro. Nvidia's H800 chips. It was previously thought that a model with such industry-defining capabilities couldn't be trained on anything but the latest high-end chipsets. This is what I'm saying, like, bro. The world is monkey see, monkey do. Even me, bro. I'm so pissed I bought Broadcom, bro. When I was just like the stock I was in was making me money. I was comfortable. I didn't like I, but then me start listening to people. That's fucked me all up, bro. So now I know when I'm with the stocks, I'm making my own decisions, bro. I'm staying in the stocks I want to stay in. This shit is clearly a bubble, bro. It's a bubble. It's a bubble. I'm gonna be honest with myself, honest with anybody, with everything. That shit is a bubble, bro. DeepSeek's LLM is also more energy efficient, making it more environmentally friendly, not to mention cheaper to run. These three factors made it appear that America's tech giants vastly overspent on training the LLMs, which now appear to be inferior to DeepSeek. This also suggests that America's major tech giants are rare in the AI space, including Open. Sorry. This also suggests that America's major tech giants operating in AI space, including OpenAI, Meta, and Google, aren't as impenetrable to competition as once thought. When the financial barrier to entry into creating an LLM that could compete with America's best models was thought to be relatively high, a company would need hundreds of millions of billions in capital to enter the race. It gave America's tech giants a competition buffer, not many other tech companies, and certainly not upstarts, without financial resources to compete. But now if they can compete for just a few $1 million. America's AI tech giants might have a lot more competition and most head threatening AI dominance. I mean, competition is good. The thing is, it's not good for our pockets though. If we all invest in AI stocks and tech stocks in America, that's what it's bad for. But it's good for just the development of AI as a whole and for the people as a whole. Like competition breeds innovation. You know what I mean? There's reasons to innovate when you got competition and things like that. Hold on, let me refresh this page. Yeah, but there's reasons for innovation when you actually have competition. Oh, what's going on, bro? As noted by CNBC, Nvidia stock plummeted by nearly 70% yesterday, which wiped almost 600 billion from its market cap. Other AI adjacent stocks like chipmaker Broadcom fell over 70%, and OpenAI's largest investor, Microsoft Corporation, fell over 2%. These and falls in other AI related tech stocks help account for that of a $1 trillion loss. As for why Deepseek sent shares tumbling, is because its existence, including how little it costs to train and the inferior hardware it was trained on, is a threat to the interest of some of reigning American AI giants. This is why I tell everybody to learn about computers too, because, all right, if if we can play a video game, right, running on a computer, running at 30 frames per second. You got people shooting, you got guns, you got bullets, you got 12 characters on screen, and a computer can run that shit. You telling me a computer can't run a fucking AI? The AI is way easier to run than a fucking video game. A video game got mad shit going on. You got the guns, you got the person shooting, reload, you got 12 people. That shit is more stress on your GPU, on your computer than an AI, bro. AI is mad like that's why this shit is all even the tech people is finessing too. They telling us this shit is harder than it is. So then you know what I mean? They telling us it's harder than it is, so we gotta spend money on it. You feel me? Like it's not. Shit is crazy, bro. Everything is a damn scam. Everybody trying to get their money up. How are U.S. tech stocks reacting this morning? The good news for tech-heavy investors is that in pre-market trading this morning, many U.S. tech stocks that plummeted yesterday are recovering today, albeit slightly. As of time of As of the time of this writing, Nvidia shares are up about 5% over yesterday's close. Broadcom shares up about 3.4%. So, I mean, it was a good day to get in if you know have some extra money. Good day to get in, make some money. But it's just like this deep seek thing really threw a wrench in a lot of stuff, and I just hope everything goes right for me going forward. What do y'all think about DeepSeek? And do y'all really think DeepSeek is gonna dominate the AI space, or do you think this DeepSeek coming out, breeding more competition in the AI space, would just make the space better as a whole, inherently making all of the companies better as a whole? So let me know what you guys think in the comments. You feel me? Let me know what you think the state of the market is. What's gonna happen? Also, I wanted to look at crypto as well. Like, I wanted to just look at cryptos to see how the market's going. So I mean, Bitcoin is at 105,000. Shit is up. So Bitcoin is doing great. Ethereum is doing good. XRP is $3.12. Chainlink. Sui. I gotta buy Sui, bro. This is where I'm about to. It's either I'm about to start buying Sui or I'm about to do an option. Gotta start buying some Sui. I have no Sui, bro. I have no Sui, bro. I have none. Like I need some Sui. All right, but Zyro, let's get it. I want to see what the hell it says too. What is it? What is Zyro? When did this come out? Oh hell no! Leave this alone. When this came out? Oh no, it came out 2025. What is Zyro? What is this? All right, hold on. I'm reading. I'm doing something. Uh, Oh, this shit is crazy. Oh nah, Zyro's fire. What's the market cap? Oh nah. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be looking at the whole market, but I might have found 53 million fully diluted valuation. Shit, I might buy this shit. Wait. I might buy that Zyro, y'all. I'm liking the way that's looking. Trading platform. Let's see what else we got. Bullseye pool. We got games and all that. 1v1s. Ah, yeah. Take my money. That's it. I want it. I'm buying some of this today. All right. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe to everything. But yeah, I'm getting into this. Let me see what's up with the Zyro real quick. All right. That's really it, man. I'm just freestyling on these videos, bro. I don't want to be too overly edited, overly polished, overly this. I don't want to be any of those things. I just want to make great content for y'all and just drop it, bro. Let me know what y'all think about Deepseek AI. What is it gonna do to the market? Is the market gonna prevail? Is it gonna stay under? What's gonna happen? All right,